My name is James Roe, a professional racing driver based in North America and also competing in Europe. I'm proudly sponsored by Topcon. It's phenomenal to be here in Bauma. It's a show. I've heard about it so much, over the years. I've been at Con Expo and World of Asphalt and so on and so forth, but people always said, wait till you get to Bauma, and I can see what they're talking about now. I mean, the show is phenomenal. Obviously, the booth looks fantastic here, and we have the global team here, which is quite unique, and race cars here, and it's getting a lot of attention, and yeah, just great to be here surrounded by the industry. The relationship with Topcon and I began in 2019. Started off as a small partnership when Smooth Rider was launched, to see basically where we can take this and grow the product within the industry. And ever since then, it's grown year in, year out. We were competing in North America at the time in US Formula 3. We had wins and lap records over there. Throughout our US campaign, things grew year in, year out. Naturally then, as the program grew, basically we speak the same language when it comes to surfaces. It's my language in my world, because it's basically what we're operating on. In the Topcon world, they're the industry leaders in the surfacing space. So very, very, let's say, clear strategic relationship that has just been growing from strength to strength. So ultimately for us as let's say an industry, to start off with, there's a number of aspects. You got the driver safety, you got the performance of the cars and maximizing it, you got the events and the promoters and so on and so forth, all who are relying on that surface. So naturally, for us as drivers, the smoother the surface, the safer it is. We risk our lives every time we're in the car driving up to speeds at 200 plus miles an hour. So when we have a smooth, consistent surface, it takes a variable away of the risk that's posed to us. And that, naturally, anytime we can be safer, that's a box tick for us, and what we as drivers advocate for and what we want to be racing on. From the promotion side, the track promoters don't have to worry about delays, tracks being flooded, TV deals being pushed to the side because slots are missed and certain windows are missed. Fans get an increased experience because we're now racing in closer quarters, close to one another. Better racing leads to more fan engagement. So then it goes to the engineering side, and the smoother the surface, the more consistent it is. There's variables removed. You can run the cars a lot stiffer, lower. It leads to faster lap times, lap records, and it's a results-based business, and we're in the performance world, tied into an entertainment world. So it basically reduces variables and risk for all involved. I mean, going forward for Topcon and I, we use the analogy the world's our oyster, because things just keep growing. This company is phenomenal to be associated with, and are going to extreme places with further products coming down the line. And likewise with our career, we're developing year in, year out, and it's growing too. So we got a lot of options, and one thing for sure is it'll be an exciting platform wherever we end up.